Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review one of the most famous biscuits among the children as well as among the adults, which is Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Choco Fills Original Filled Cookie. Now coming to the back side, here you can see all the details about this biscuit is given here, and these are the details which we don't need to read now. And here's the nutritional information per 100 gram of product and also the ingredients used in it. If you want to read them, you can surely pause the video and read it. And coming down here, the contact details are given. Coming to the bottom right, here it says that do you know that you can make great desserts with dark fantasy? Scan the QR code to know more. So here's the QR code, and now here it says that it is best before 9 months from packaging. Store it in a cool and dry place. The manufacturing date is 22/12/20 with the market price rupees 120 with net weight 300 gram, in which it contains 24 packs of dark fantasy biscuit which weighs 12.5 gram each. And here you can see the branding of dark fantasies on all its four sides. And now let's open this pack. Here's a pull to open sign, so let us open this pack. Here it says insert, tap to close, so that if you have taken your biscuit, however how much you want, you have to close it like that. And here are the 24 packs which look so delicious. Okay, so now let me show you individual packaging, and according to the calculation each biscuit costs you for rupees 5. And let me focus. So here you can see here's also the branding of dark fantasy, and nothing important is given on the dark fantasy chocofills individual packaging. Only it's written that not to be sold individually without the outer packaging. Now let me open and show you how it looks. I know most of you know how it looks. Okay, so here's the biscuit. A nice and circular shaped biscuit. You can see it looks so beautiful, and now I gonna break and show you. I think your mouth is watering right now. You may get some for you, or you may order it from the link in the description box below. Did you just hear the sound of the crunchiness of the dark fantasy biscuit? I'm sure you heard that. And here you can see it's literally filled with lot of chocolate inside, which looks so delicious. I couldn't stop myself, so I had one part of it and I also ate the second part. It was looking so delicious. It tastes such amazing, and I know your exams are approaching, so if you get tensed or stressed, you may eat one of the dark fantasy and you will feel so better. You may get it from a shop, but you will not get much discount. And I know most of you are not going out of the house during COVID, so you can buy from the link in the description box below. You will get extra discount on buying online with 30% off, so you can buy from the link in the description box below. So that was my review of dark fantasy. So overall conclusion from my side that you must try this biscuit whenever you feel like not doing so more anything you don't like. So that's it. Thanks for watching.